a pretty nice truck. Ford Expedition. All right. I'm at a LaFontaine Chevrolet. This is my last pickup. All right, that's 3 the hard way. Literally. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the process. So today is one of my first days. I'm finna go ahead and load up. I got a couple of jobs, well actually a few loads to go pick up, starting close to home in Flat Rock, Michigan. We got a few cars going to Mount Morris, Michigan. It's probably about, I don't know, 150 miles one way for this trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this whole process of me getting my load together and my on the road journey. And I'm gonna start off now by doing my pre-trip. Make sure everything on my truck is cool and ready to go. So what I'm gonna do first is just check under my hood, make sure I see no leaks, make sure everything is running good, and it is. I'm gonna check my lights real quick. Gonna do a walk around, check my tire pressure, check my fifth wheel, make sure everything is coupled. Safety chains look good. My cab lights working. I got my spare tires. I checked the tire pressure on those yesterday. Everything is good. Normally I have me a little stick. I just walk around with the stick and just tap the tires. I can just look at those and tell they're pretty good. Alright. I forgot I had this back here. I don't know how this rolled back here. I done went and got fuel and everything with this stick on the back of my trailer. I'm glad it didn't fall off. Well, not a stick, this is a pole, actually, a breaker bar. Anyway. Make sure I see no fuel, no oil leaking. We looking good. So what I want to do is bow my head for a second and just pray for a safe journey, a safe haul. It's gonna take a few minutes to do that. Say a little prayer, God look out for me, amen. And what I want to do first is I'm gonna start making these phone calls and do my courtesy call and just make sure my scheduled pickup times are accurate. I got one I'm headed to at 10 a.m. It's 9 a.m. now, so they don't open till 10. So I'm gonna get them a few minutes. I'm gonna call my other two dealerships because they already open. They're 9 to 5. So I'm gonna work on that, and then I'll get back to y'all when I get to my first pickup location. All right, now let's get to it. All right, so I'm at my first pickup. I just went inside and checked in and got the keys. I'm gonna see if I can locate the vehicle real quick and just check out how this parking lot layout is. I can back up to it a little closer. That's the only thing that be worrying me is how I'm gonna get my truck in some of these parking lots, or either just stay on the street. but it's enough room, looks like. So I'm looking for a 2008 Chevy Impala. He said it should be right along this back line over here. Oh, okay, that must be it right there. I guess the key fobs don't work. So I gotta check the VIN number and then do my inspection. And the good thing is everything is done off the app. So I got my other phone. I'm going through Super Dispatch. So it's pretty simple. You just click on and verify the VIN number, take a few pictures, go back in, get a signature from who I picked the keys up from, load up, and then ride out. So as I'm doing this, I'm gonna make sure it starts up. As I'm doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and cut y'all back on in 1 second. All right, so I'm at my second pickup in Central Line, Michigan. Finna pick up this 2019 Ford Expedition, this big boy. It's almost 6,000 pounds. And I don't like where I had to park it. I'm on this little tight side street. There's a lot of traffic coming and going. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, check my VIN number, do my inspection, and load her up. See all this traffic I'm dealing with? It's the only thing about dealerships. And now I gotta move this first car up to the front. So I'm getting ready to work on that. I'm putting that truck on the rear, there's some Impala on the front, and then my last pickup gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna have to pull the truck back off and then load that one. My last pickup, which gonna be the, I'm kind of trying to go by weight. So the next pickup is like the lighter car. So I'm putting the second lightest or second heaviest in the front, and the lightest in the middle, and the heaviest on the rear. So let me go ahead and work on this. All right. So here we go. I got my two loaded. I'm gonna walk around again and just check my straps. Load all my equipment back up. And I'm back on the road for my last pickup. I'm using my Bluetooth. I hope this is recording. You can hear me good. And I got this busy side street right here. But all in all, we doing good. Still on time. I'm meeting my ETA. So we in good shape. All right, let me go ahead and get this finished up. I'm at a LaFontaine Chevrolet. This is my last pickup. 2010 Chevy Malibu. I already went inside, checked in. I'm trying to hurry up and get on the road so I can make my ETA for my drop-off time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my quick inspection and get this car signed off on and get it loaded up. Mark all this damage, like the front grille already damaged, and look around for all the scratches and mark it on my app as damaged. That way I don't take no bite for nothing. All right, let me go ahead and get to this. All right, that's 3 the hard way. Literally. I'm out of breath. But I got them all up on there loaded. Strapped down good, secured good. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit this road. Let's get it, baby. All right, so we're rolling, baby. We're rolling. I'm headed to my last stop to make my deliveries. y'all can see that. I've been driving about 178 miles for today. I want to say about 50 or 60 of those miles were between my pickups. I had 3 different pickups. So I'm probably only driving about 140 miles to my delivery destination. And then got to drive 140 miles back home, which ain't too bad, but man, overall my truck is riding good. I was nervous, man, looking at all those negative comments I was getting on my YouTube about me and this 6.0 Power Stroke diesel I got. Everybody was talking about how they got a bunch of issues, but man, I'm out here riding with the AC. AC blowing. One hand on the steering wheel, man. Look at it, hold them straight. But anyway, man, you know, I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed, and I just want to give me a good run. Maybe a good 6 months to a year with this truck, and then try to upgrade. I don't gotta upgrade radios. I'm riding to this old FM. Got the radio station playing. I'm out here bored, man, killing myself. So hopefully I'll be able to upgrade my radio soon, give me a little double din or something like that. But anyway, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned in. I plan on dropping more vlogs of me and my process with this car hauling, Hotshot. Be learning how to use these different load boards. I'm running Super Dispatch right now, and it's pretty user friendly. Everything is just pretty much follow each prompt, follow each step, take pictures, get a customer signature, and that's it. So I like it. I'm gonna try to find me a load on the way back, so I ain't gotta go back dead. So I gotta drive back deadhead for those 140 miles. So I'm going over a bridge right now. Anyway, let me focus on the road. Make sure y'all just subscribe and stay tuned in with me. And like this video. Alright. I'll tap back in with y'all when I get to my destination. Alright, I'm at a right way in Bay City, Michigan. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this dropped. I couldn't show y'all me unloading the other 2 cars. I was trying to hurry up and get to this last stop before they closed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. Show y'all a little bit what I can show y'all, just to keep y'all kind of intrigued on this video. And then we're gonna go from there, wrap this up. I couldn't show me unloading it from the trailer because the guy came out and was ready to give me his signature so he can go home. So really ain't got no action in this video. Sorry, I was kind of in a rush trying to make my pickups and deliveries the same day, and it's gonna be a mission accomplished. This is a pretty nice truck, Ford Expedition. So let me go ahead and get this guy these keys so I can get him out of here. Mission passed. All right. I gotta pat myself on the back. I picked up my first 3 cars and made my deliveries in the same day, as booked. So this is how you get a good carrier rating when you book your loads and you make your appointments on time. You get good ratings for that. So now other shippers on my load board will see, you know, that I got good ratings from other shippers, and they want to work with me. So it's all about the process. Like I said, getting myself in the dough, and I'm finna run off. So I'm finna start getting my straps and everything put away. I got a lot to do. I'm gonna check this load board one more time. Check my hours, my drive time, and see like how much hours I got. if I got time to get one more load to get me back home, I'm trying to go ahead and load and book one. Also, I'm using a paper log, my backup, because for some reason my ELD, you know, it plugs in down here to my OB2 plug. And when I had it plugged in, when I made another run, I only drove 40 miles. And my check engine light popped on. It's like a little wrench signal that popped on. And I kind of lost power. So I don't know, man. I feel like that ELD is throwing off my computer for the truck. I ain't plugged it in on one time today, and I done drove about 200 miles with 15,000 pounds gross weight loaded on the back of my trailer, plus my 13,000 pounds. I don't know where my sticker is, but so do the math. 13,000 is just my truck, plus 15,000 for the trailer. Not even including the trailer. That's what 15,000 was just 3 cars. So my trailer probably about, I don't know, 1,500 pounds, 2,000 pounds. It's a lot of weight. And this boy didn't miss a beat. You know what I mean? No hiccups, nothing. So anyway, I'm just gonna stick to my paper log right now and make sure my hours are compliant. I'm gonna go through this, check the load board, see what's available. I'm gonna do one last walk around on my truck and make sure I don't see anything that needs attention before I get back on the road. Everything looked good. Good job. Good job, my baby. And I'm gonna shout out God too, man. I appreciate you for helping me out for my first run. Safe journey all the way here. Safe and accident free on my deliveries. So thank you, God. We're gonna keep this going. Alright, so I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much longer. Just do me a favor and make sure y'all like this video. Leave me a comment. Share this, you know, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Stay locked in with me, man. Profit Transport Logistics. I got more vlogs on the way. Let's get to it, baby.